In this brilliantly designed Japanese-style tiny home, innovation and efficiency converge in a compact layout featuring a Smart Hack Loft system that redefines the use of vertical space. At the core of this design is a movable loft platform that can slide to the right and left, opening up dynamic access and functionality within the attic zone. The attic is divided into two distinct sections. The first is one permanent loft that houses a foldable bed integrated into a sleek wall cabinet, and the second is the other is a movable loft that glides horizontally, serving both as an extra sleeping or lounging space and as a bridge to access the fixed attic. The sliding loft innovation ensures that even within a narrow floor plan, the space above can remain fluid and multifunctional, allowing circulation, storage, and rest areas to coexist without crowding the room. Both loft areas are equipped with smartly arranged cabinets and folding beds, providing more than just sleeping solution. These features allow the attic to flexibility support multiple users, making the tiny home suitable for families or guests while still maintaining its minimalism and calming aesthetic. Through thoughtfully cabinet placement, foldable furniture, and sliding loft system, this Japan's tiny homes becomes a model of space-saving brilliance. Every component is tailored to create maximum comfort and utility in a compact footprint, proving that small living doesn't mean compromising on function or beauty.